In this video, we're making this apple crumble that is delicious and perfect to enjoy on a rainy day. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the apple crumble, so let's get started. So you will need some apples that are peeled and chopped. To this, you're going to add in the flour, the lemon juice, sugar, and the cinnamon powder, and mix everything up until it's all combined and the apples are coated. And then place this in your pie dish. I'm using a 7-inch round baking dish, but you can also use a 7x7 square dish. And then press the apples in the dish until they're compact. Now in the same bowl, I'm adding all my topping ingredients. So that is the oats, the flour, the brown sugar, baking powder, and the cinnamon powder, and then mix this up. Once it's combined, add in the butter. And mix it all together until you have a wet sand-like consistency. The topping should be a little crumbly in your hands, but it should come together just like wet sand. Then place the topping over your apples. And press it in with your hands until it's all just uniform. Then you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it is golden brown and the apples are bubbling. Once done, let it cool for about 10 minutes before you serve it. And then serve it nice and warm, and you can also serve this with some vanilla ice cream on top, which would be a heavenly combination. The crunchy brown sugar topping and the soft, sweet apples make such a beautiful pair. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Make sure to give it a try and subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes. I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye!